Merry Christmas! This is from iDevs community. This holiday season, we are here to spark your learning journey and innovations with an exciting surprise. Three special gifts for you. Don't miss it out. Go to the dashboard and now grab your gift. Already the day one is unwrapped. Industry level Gen AI projects showcasing your skills with a professional grade project that aligns with real world industry standards. Grab a gift now. Visit app.ides.xyz. The day one gift is already available. So climb it today, dive into industry level real world project. Into these projects designed to teach you real world skills and set you apart in the competitive teach world. What's waiting for you? When you explore the dashboard, you will find projects that are practical, impactful, and career boosting, like the Gen AI projects, which are GitHub repository code, chat assistants, and personalized MCQ generator, and as well as multi-source content intelligence system, and so on. What's waiting for you to? When you explore the dashboard, you will find these projects that very impactful and career boosting. Right? These projects come with everything you need. An overview explaining the project's insights. When you click on the apply now, you will get to the overview, dashboard, and descriptions and evaluation criteria and also the outcomes. Why should you apply? Gain hands-on experience with real-world industry standards. Strengthen your resume with projects that showcase advanced skills. Compete with shine on the iDevs leaderboard. Receive mentorship and guidance from the iDevs teams. How to apply? Just click on apply now interested projects and mention the start date and the end completion date of your projects when it's going to be completed. So it's going to be take time for you guys and just enter. I love it. The reason behind for selecting projects and relevant projects what you've done for behind. Then just click on apply now. We'll get a confirmation email after applying this, after making all this completion of your project, the GitHub repository code chat assistance. Then go to the submission, click on submit now. Submit your GitHub URL and demo video link so iDevs admin can get to know what you have been submitted. Yes, right? After that, approve from the iDevs admin, you will get an interview link where the interview goes on for 30 minutes. Based on that, you will get an iDevs score. It will be mentioned on the leaderboard to get to know what are the things you have been achieved in this project. After this, you will get 100 coins of gem, which has been shown the reward as a reward from iDevs. As a submission, after submitting, it will you need to wait for in review for approval of iDevs admin, and then interview link will be posted off. If it is approved, then you will get a iDevs course and solution 2, and that's it. And start your journey today. This gives of more than just projects. They are on your chance to master AI and grow your career and be part of a thriving community. Click get started now and make this a Christmas about learning, innovation, and success. Special thanks to the iDevs community for making this opportunity possible. Let's build the future together. What do you say, guys?